Welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. I'm the keeper of the home here at 4D Farms, where we are all about faith, family, home, and farm. I hope you find something on our channel that will encourage you and inspire you on your journey. Be sure to give us a thumbs up, hit like and subscribe, and be sure to turn that little notifications bell on so you'll get notified every time a brand new video is uploaded. We hope to see you in each and every one. Thanks for watching. Let's get to fixing tonight's meal. I have got some pork chops here that I brought with us from a hog that we had locally harvested. They packaged it for us and everything. I've got 4 pieces in here. Look how thick these babies are, y'all. Let me pick one of these up. Look how thick those are. I have been marinating these in some Italian dressing and a little bit of garlic and butter sauce and a little bit of salt and pepper. They've been chilling out in this all day, and I'm going to transfer them over to a lined baking sheet. Okay, got those on the baking sheet. Poured some of that sauce on the top. We are going to bake these on a 350-degree oven until the and flipping about halfway through. And then checking the internal temperature for pork is 145 degrees. And I will check that with my handy-dandy little meat probe here. Next, I am going to take all the kernels off these cobs. I brought some corn back with us too. And I am going to be frying some corn, whole kernel corn, with some zucchini and some squash. I want a little splash of color in there, so I'm going to dice up a red pepper and a purple onion, and we're just going to fry these and saute these together. And it's kind of like 3 sides in one with a little splash of color to go along with the pork chops. Easy peasy, one skillet, just fry all these together. And look at all that color in one skillet. And you know what I'm going to do? Just because I can and for the fun of it, I'm going to use the last bit of this little dressing in here as a marinade to just saute this in and get rid of the rest of this. And we're going to saute these up, and I'll let you see what this looks like. When it's done, we'll plate it up and we'll taste test. And here it is all plated up. That was one of the quickest meals I think I've ever made. Hardly no fuss. And look at all that color. I'm going to go chow on this, okay? Y'all, I'm sorry. I already did a little bitty taste test. I apologize. It's good. Trust me. I'm about to starve. Dear hubby was fixing to walk through the door. And we are going to enjoy our supper together. I'll catch y'all in the next one.